If you need to change your Bluehost login password, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can update your password quickly and keep your account secure. This is a simple Bluehost account setting, but if you've never changed your login details before, I'll make it easy to follow. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Bluehost account using your current username and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This is where Bluehost keeps your account and security settings. From the menu that appears, select My Profile. This will take you to your personal account profile page where you can manage your login information and other account details. On this page, look for the Login Credentials section. In that section, you'll see the password option. Next, click Change Next to Password. Bluehost will now ask you to verify that it's really you. Enter your current password in the first field, then type your new password in the next field and confirm it one more time so you know it matches exactly. Before you save it, make sure your new password is strong and secure. A good password should be something you can remember, but difficult for anyone else to guess. It's always a smart idea to use a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols whenever possible. Once everything looks correct, click Save or Change Password to finish the update. Bluehost will process the request, and your login password will be changed right away. After that, it's a good idea to log out and test the new password just to make sure everything is working properly. If you manage websites or client accounts, updating your password regularly is one of the easiest ways to protect your hosting account from unauthorized access. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Bluehost login password. It only takes a minute once you know where to go, and now you can keep your account secure with a fresh new password. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.